Hello, Mrs. Melmed. This is Mindy Wheat, one of the reading specialists here at the Classical Academy. I wanted to talk to you about Sophia's usage on Lexia. As you can see here, every green bar shows the weeks that she used Lexia at a perfect amount of minutes according to their expected range. At the beginning of the year, they wanted her to use it 40 minutes a week, but as her usage wasn't as consistent and because the level seemed to get further away from the grade level expectancy, they moved it up to 80 minutes a week here in December. And at that level, she only got 2 weeks at that amount of usage. So I want to encourage you, especially now in January and February, to have her utilize Lexia a little bit more regularly. And as I go back over here and look at her activities on Lexia, I can see that root meanings right here is a little bit difficult just because it's slow rate and low accuracy. So I'm going to click on it and see what I can find. She's only done 4 different activities, but this one concept, struct, port, ject, different roots, were kind of tricky for her, but she didn't do too bad. She's not stuck on there, and I'm not seeing tons of repeats. Those are okay in my opinion. If she does get frustrated, let me know. I can send you a video or some worksheets for her to do on that activity. I actually might send you a couple worksheets for the root meanings with this video. But encourage her to get on there and utilize it. Once she finishes 16, she will be caught up to where she needs to be at the end of the school year, and I really think she probably could do it if she was on there 80 minutes a week. Let me know if you have questions. Thanks.